goes all the way up the racetrack. He has to catch it before he gets the wall. And Hornaday catches the wall. Caution is going to come out.
Watch this intentional wreck here.
If I look like the 17 to Timothy Peters, they slid up the racetrack, and now Kyle Busch not happy at all. And Kyle Busch is going to turn the 33 to the wall. A championship contender, Hornaday in the wall.
Well, Kyle Busch should be parked for this race and maybe the rest of the season for that. Holy cow, I can't believe he did
Championship
that.
contender, Ron Hornaday, hard into the wall. Kyle Busch sends him in.
Just got one in the wall up here.
Martin Truex Jr. caution flag is out.
Yell it out.
And that changes everything. Hit the big reset button on it all. We're not done yet. Martin Truex Jr. and then Kyle Busch involved in this one, and that's kind of rather interesting, appearing.
Like, well, Martin Truex. They may have some contact earlier and later. What that's all about.
Well, certainly bizarre circumstances with Kyle Busch and Martin Truex Jr. there. And I agree with your statement, altering the outcome of this race. Still trying to figure out what happened between Kyle Busch and Martin Truex Jr. to set that incident off that brought out the caution flag.
Hell was that for? He just ducks you, man. I don't know.